stating that I'm a user who want to make a booking and want answers of my queries. So here I'm going to send a message to business number which is saved as my test number, and here I'm getting this welcome message. And here I have created this WhatsApp chatbot for my pet clinic business, but you can modify it according to the business you are running. And here I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book appointment and ask questions. So here I'm going to select this first button, that is book appointment, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me what's my pet's name. So here I'm going to enter it as Fluffy. So here I have provided my pet's name, and as I have provided it, I'm getting a message which is asking me what type of pet do I have. So here I'm going to enter it as cat. Now let me provide this message, and as I have provided type of pet, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter the date of the appointment I would like to book. So here I'm going to enter it as 21st May 2026. So now let me type it. And here I have just entered it, and as I have provided the date of the appointment, it is asking me to enter my full name. So here I'm going to enter it as demo user, and as I have provided my full name, I'm getting an appointment confirmation message which says your appointment request is confirmed. Now let's proceed towards our second button, that is ask questions. So as I have selected this button, I'm getting a welcome message which says hey, how may I help you, and here I'm going to enter my query. So here I have entered this question, that is what payment methods are accepted. Now let's wait for the response. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my query. Now let's enter another question. And here I have entered this question, that is how often should I take my pet for a checkup. Now let's wait for the response. And here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. So now you have seen the working of this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is doing all the tasks from booking to resolving all the queries of my customer. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for whatever business you are running, whether it's any service-based business or any online business. So now let me show you how to create it by using an amazing automation tool, that is Pabbly Chatflow, which will help you to automate entire conversations with your clients like as you have seen recently. So now let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, where we are going to create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot which is going to help my customers book the services and help them to get all the answer of their queries within the WhatsApp. And now you don't have to manually type and resolve all your customer queries, and you don't have to manually ask for their details again and again, because this WhatsApp chatbot is going to do so. So for creating it, let's move on towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page. But if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over this sign up free. And if you sign up for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over this sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, and make sure to add your WhatsApp number with Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn this whole process, then you can find the video link in the description given below. And I have provided this flow the name from inquiry to booking WhatsApp chatbot that does it all. And here we are getting this option for trigger. So now you might be thinking, what is this trigger? So trigger is the event which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot, and as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, I have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which I have entered. So your trigger event can be the keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts the conversation. Now let me type the keyword, that is hello, which I have recently shown you, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this, but here I am removing it as we already have our keyword. And on your left hand side you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. And now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here I'm getting this text button node which you can drag from the this message block too. So here I'm going to enter a welcome message in this text button node. So right here I've entered this welcome message for my customers. Now I'm going to create a button. So here I'm going to enter my button name as book appointment, and now from this field you can select your button type, either quick reply or link. Now we just have to click over the save button. Now likewise I'm going to create one more button. So here I have created my both buttons. Now if my user select this button, that is book appointment, I'm going to ask them some questions for booking the appointment. And for that you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is ask question, which you have to select. And here I'm going to enter a question asking for the pet's name. So here I have entered this question. Now let's select the contact custom field as pet name. So now let me search for it, and here you can see we are getting this contact custom field. And now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. Means this contact custom field pet name will consist of the pet name provided by my user. So you can provide the personalized message by adding a $sign before this variable or this contact custom field. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, which you have to select, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, where you can see these previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button. And now let's move on towards my flow page, where I'm going to select the format as any. Now likewise I'm going to add some more questions to this flow. So right here I have entered all these questions asking for the type of pet, the date of the appointment, and the name of the user. Now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I'm going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message. So for that we just have to drag and drop, and here I'm going to use the text button node, and here I'm going to enter a confirmation message. So this is the confirmation message which I'm going to send to my user. So with this we are done with our first part of our flow. Now let's move on towards our second part of the flow, where we are going to provide answer of all the customer queries by using an AI assistant. And for that I'm going to assign AI assistant to this particular button. Means as soon as my user will select this button that is ask question, my AI assistant will be triggered, and this is going to respond all to my customer queries. And now you might be thinking how this AI assistant is going to respond to all the customer queries based on the business I am running. So this is going to happen by using the knowledge base which I have provided to my AI assistant. So right here you can see this is the knowledge base by using which my AI assistant will respond to all my customer queries. So this will basically act as a brain for my AI assistant. So now let's assign AI assistant to this particular button that is ask question. And if you want to learn whole process of creating AI assistant, then you can find video link in the description given below. And for assigning AI assistant, you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node that is assign AI assistant, which I'm going to select. And now let's connect it with this button, and from here I'm going to select the AI assistant which I have already created inside Pabbly Chatflow. So make sure to watch the video where you can learn how to create the AI assistant. And here I'm going to select this AI assistant for pet clinic. Now it is asking me how the AI assistant should start the conversation. So I want my AI assistant to start the conversation with a welcome message. So I have selected it. Now here I'm going to enter the welcome message which my AI assistant will send to my user as soon as they select this button that is ask question. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now if someone will select this button that is ask question, my AI assistant will instantly respond to their queries. So this is the flow which we have recently created, which is going to perform all the tasks from booking to resolving all the customer queries. So now you can also create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow, which is going to perform all your manual tasks. And now you don't have to manually ask for your customers details for booking the appointment for them, and this is also going to resolve all your customer queries. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button, and this is the simple process for creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So what are you waiting for? Automate your entire conversations with your customers by using Pabbly Chatflow, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.